Dachau was liberated on April the 29th. So we can pinpoint that. We were close by. We did not liberate, our unit did not liberate Dachau, although we did liberate one of the subcamps. We had never heard of Dachau. Didn't know anything about it. We were sent to Dachau a day or two after the liberation to view the camp. And I remember looking at the prisoners who were walking around. They were skeletons. And one guy who was strong enough had a wheelbarrow with two people in the wheelbarrow who were too weak to walk. He was wheeling them to a place where they could get some food. And that image of they were too weak to walk, to stand up, is something that, you know, and we were there, I don't know, 3 or 4 hours because we had to move on. You know, the war ended on May the 8th, and by the time the war ended, we were in Austria and, you know, and kept going. But those experiences near Dachau were really defining moments in my life.